Medical Hydrafirm, the Eye Brightening Repair Cream. This lightweight cream helps to minimize the appearance of the signs of aging around the eyes, the fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles and puffiness. The benefits include encouraging the natural collagen production so as to help diminish the fine lines and wrinkles and restore the skin's elasticity. It rapidly reduces the appearance of puffiness. It targets the appearance of dark circles and increases the suppleness and moisturization to replenish the skin barrier. It provides antioxidant protection and prevents against future damage. The key ingredients include retinol and hydrolyzed sericin. This gives the collagen stimulation to help diminish the appearance of fine lines. Kojic dipalmitate that targets the pigment production to help lighten the dark circles. Saccharomyces lysate extract, carnitine, coenzyme A and caffeine that help the microcirculation to reduce the puffiness. Shea butter that gives the skin lipid and barrier replenishment. Squalane, again that gives the skin lipid and barrier replenishment. Sodium PCA that acts as the hydrator moisture to replenish. Olive fruit extract, again that acts as a hydrator moisture replenisher. Arnica montana flower extract that gives the antioxidant and anti-irritant properties. Use this product in the morning and evening. Apply small dots around the orbital bone and tap gently into the skin until it is fully absorbed.